Hi you guys, welcome to MyCuriousCrafts. This is Shan, and in today's video, we're participating in an open collaboration. This collaboration is titled The Ultimate Christmas Wreath Playlist, and it's hosted by Natalie at Design to the Nines and Jennifer at Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. Let's get started. So we're beginning with a swag base that has already been layered with deco mesh. We cut our deco mesh strips at 18 inches and we cruffle them. You guys have seen me cruffle before. Now what you see is me getting my poinsettias straightened out and placing them on my swag base to my liking. I like to place things out and figure out where I want them before I ever secure them, and you guys know that I secure with Gorilla Glue. This is all a part of personal preference. Now we're going to add in some Christmas ornaments because nothing screams Christmas like Christmas ornaments, right? Let's get those placed in. Okay, so what we're going to do is continue to add various elements to our swag. Okay, you guys, so typically on my channel today would be Bow Wednesday, and Bow Wednesday is where we come together and I show you guys how to make various bows using bow makers or sometimes hand tie bows. Today obviously is going to be a hand tie bow because I haven't pulled out a bow maker, but here we go. So I wanted 18-inch tails. I measured out 18. I wanted 5-inch loops, so I measured out to 10. I pinched, I brought it back, I measured out 10 again. We're going to have a total of 4 5-inch loops in this bow. There's my 18-inch tail. I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to grab my zip tie and I'm going to secure my bow. You'll notice this time, if you've been with me for a while, that I did not insert a chenille stem, and that's because on my swag I already have a chenille stem that I'm going to use to secure the bow, so I don't need another one. But that's definitely the time that you would add a chenille stem. Okay, so I'm going to decide now whether or not I'm going to dovetail the end. I decide that I want to spiral my ribbon tails, so I'm just going to cut them at a slant. Now we're going to add ribbon tails to our wreath, so we cut them at 12 inches. We're going to dovetail, which means that when you fold your ribbon in half, then you fold it again, and you cut on the folded edge at an angle, and you have a nice little dovetail. We're starting out with 6, but I don't know if that's all we'll need. As a matter of fact, I believe we're going to add more, but we'll start out with 6, and we can add more later. That's the beauty of designing. Okay, so we've already decided on the placement of everything, and now we're ready to actually permanently adhere things to our swag. So we're adding our ribbon tails now in the places that we want, and we're going to secure everything down with the Gorilla Glue this time. Okay, so we pinch the ribbon and we open up one of our ties. We tie it around the ribbon. We add our placement. And you're done with that one. Moving on to the next. Okay, so now we're going to secure the ornament. We want to take off the hook. It's of no use to us. Put our Gorilla Glue on our ornament. Place it in the spot that we want it. Hold it for a little bit just so that it attaches. And voila, it's done. Moving on to the next. You guys, I had so much fun participating in this collaboration and creating this wonderful little swag here. I'd like to know if you guys would consider recreating this, and if so, please let me know. Just a few more goodies and we'll consider this one done. We don't want to overdo it. Okay, beautiful people, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and visiting with me today. I hope that you would consider going by the ladies' channel and seeing what lovelies they created for us. Thank you so much. Take care and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.